Need to know how to maintain fresh flowers? In this video we're diving into the delightful world of flowers. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just love having fresh blooms around, we're going to share essential tips on how to keep your cut flowers looking fresh and vibrant for as long as possible. Let's start. Fresh flowers can brighten up any room, but they can wilt quickly if not cared for properly. Learning how to maintain them can enhance your home's aesthetic and maximize the lifespan of your beautiful bouquets. Ensure your vase is clean before adding flowers to prevent any bacteria from harming the blooms. Wash it thoroughly with soap and water. Using sharp scissors or gardening shears, cut about 1 to 2 inches off the stems at a 45-degree angle. This increases the surface area for water absorption and prevents the stems from sitting flat at the bottom of the vase, which can hamper water uptake. Remove any leaves that would be submerged in the water. Leaves in the water can rot, leading to bacterial growth that shortens the life of your flowers. Add flower food to the water. This provides the blooms with the necessary nutrients and includes a bactericide that keeps the water fresher longer. If you don't have flower food, you can make a homemade version by mixing a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of bleach, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into a quart of water. Change the water every 2 to 3 days. With each change, clean the vase, retrim the stems, and add new flower food. Fresh, clean water helps prevent the buildup of bacteria that can cause the flowers to decay quickly. Place your flowers in a cool area away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Avoid placing them near ripening fruit, which emits ethylene gas that can cause the blooms to fade and wilt prematurely. With these simple steps, your fresh flowers can adorn your space with beauty and fragrance for much longer. Enjoy the burst of nature's beauty inside your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.